Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download TrueSkate for free. TrueSkate is a skating game. Gonna see you this TrueSkate, then go this TrueSkate have a paid, so let's gonna download it for free. w.mob.org here at Google. Say Google Pokemon Light Platinum. Okay guys, I'm giving you the link. I'm giving you the link guys, like other link of that or that games. Okay guys, that's it. Going to show you the link. Name of to. So here we go guys. This is the TrueSkate. Here's a download link. Download. It's not available to me, so I guess so. Okay guys, let's gonna go, and I'm going to show you the link. Bye guys, subscribe.